Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm an assistant professor, and I rated SignupGenius 4 stars. For more reviews like this one, click below. Before I started using SignupGenius, I didn't have a particularly good, easy, or effective way for my students to sign up for slots for projects. I do a number of things that are team-based in the classroom, where students either need to pick other students that they want to work with on a particular topic, or there's a schedule, a weekly number of slots that are available. I had tried a number of things in the past, like simply using Google Sheets and our university's LMS system, but none of it really was all that intuitive. Students would get confused, the permissions were confusing. And I never had a problem with students erasing each other's names and stealing spots, but I was always worried that it could happen. So there was no ideal option that I had found before SignupGenius. What's nice about SignupGenius is that it is truly free if you don't have an account. It's advertising supported, so while there are some kind of ugly, clunky banner ads that pop up occasionally, it's nothing intrusive and it won't stop you from doing your work. But again, it is truly free. And on the other side, your students or employees or whoever is going to be doing the signing up, they don't have to sign up for an account either, which is fantastic because who likes logging into stuff? It's just annoying. The free version does also give you a good to fair amount of customization options in terms of colors and templates and the like. So overall, since there aren't any limits that I've run into, it seems very full-featured based on what you get for free. Creating a new sign-up using SignupGenius is very straightforward. It uses a sort of wizard interface, one step at a time. There are a few configuration options in terms of how the slots that you're making available can be configured, and they can be a little bit confusing in terms of deciding which option you want to go with. Since there isn't a preview or anything like that until you get to the end. So you may have to do a little bit of backtracking, going back and forth just to make sure everything is just the way you want it. That's probably the major drawback or confusion, but I would say that's a pretty small one. Otherwise, again, I think this service has been around forever, and as a result, it doesn't rely on super complicated browser-specific technology or anything like that. And it's pretty easy to get started. If you want to give SignupGenius a try, I can't think of a reason not to just give it a shot right out of the box. Again, you don't have to register, you don't have to create an account. It's better if you make a password, but you don't have to. Again, it's fairly intuitive, fairly straightforward. Just be aware that some of the looks and feels of some of the templates that they offer are a little bit dated. It does look a tiny bit clunky, perhaps, but the functionality is great. And so, again, it doesn't cost anything, so why not give it a shot?